Good morning guys. So I might not have vlogged the day that I went to uni. I've had the craziest 48 hours. I've met some lovely people and basically I kind of was just focusing on just kind of settling in and just enjoying my time for what it was. So I didn't vlog the past 2 days. So as mentioned before, I did meet these lovely people on the orientation day and we've just ended up like hanging out and just like enjoying the area. And so today we thought that we would do a day trip to a place called Grasse. And it's basically famous for perfumes and things like that. So I thought I would take you with me for that because I think that that would be more fun than me just sitting there like awkwardly on camera being like, I'm at the uni. Gonna head off soon, this is the outfit and yeah. We are currently at this really cute little restaurant in Grasse called Perfumery, and we're just having some local food and some local wine. We've got the rosé, and yeah, we're just eating a little bit early before we go to the perfumery and make some perfumes. But Grasse itself is gorgeous, it's really pretty, worth a visit. Only 45 minutes from Antibes and about half an hour from Cannes, so easy to get to, so highly recommend. It's beautiful. And then now we're trying to head basically to our perfume workshop. Apart from the buses here are not regular and unfortunately the driver apparently is ill, so our bus hasn't come, so we've had to push back our workshop by like 2 hours. So I think that's just unfortunately what we're going to have to do at the moment. So we're going to try and get the next bus as soon as it comes and then hope that we actually make it there and maybe arrive a bit early to our workshop this time, but that's not too sad. So yeah. So guys, we have just come back from our perfume making experience. We've got our lovely bags and look at the lovely perfume we made. It was really cool. He told us all about like the different like levels that you need to have in like perfumes and things like that, and we literally just picked the scents just based on whether we like them or not, and then we've like built up this perfume and we've got a 100ml bottle. It cost 55 euros for the experience, but you get a 100ml bottle and we were there for like an hour and a half, so totally worth it in my opinion. And it was really sweet, like they were so lovely and they helped us so much, and we even got a little certificate in here as well. So we went to the Galimard Perfume people and it's very famous in this region, which is why we came here, and I think there's only 3 perfumeries that you could like do that at. So yeah, 100% worth it. It's been amazing, and now we're just waiting for our train to go to Cannes for dinner. I mean, what a life, what a life. Okay guys, so I've made it back to my apartment. What an amazing time we had with that little tiny adventure to Cannes at the end as well. Like, it's just been such a great day, and I really recommend going to Grasse if you are in the south of France. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I will be vlogging more over the next well, a few months. Like, I'm here for so long and I want to keep you guys informed of what I get up to and all the exciting things that you can do in the south of France. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so that I do more. Liking tells me that you like it, so and I'll keep doing more of it. I hope this video was somewhat helpful and I will see you on the next one. Bye.